Diba, nakaisa pa ako. Hala! Nakikitipi! Nakikitipi ko! Hayop ko pala. Napikon. Bilis mo pikon ng mga taong mabilis mga asar. Ikaw may kasalanan, hindi to mama SS mo. Hindi. It's not me, it's you!
Shall be the end of you.
Nagulti na ba yan, sir? Wait lang, titipian ko, Lud. Tinitipit ko sa akin eh.
Let's see. What's beneath these bandages?
Sige, lapit! Bukan nyo!
Destruction is the start of my role. No one can stop me.
Mamaya mapipikon na si Stu. Ako na yung sisipain nito, guys. Good for the world, the world is good. Wow.
May my role have some fun to this boring world. Immortal!
Sinong tataas? Sinong tataas? Gusto niyo po mag-Lord?
Gather at the Lord.
Lord lang po kayo, Vision lang ako.
Gather at the Lord.
Joy to the world, the world is
Killing spree. Double kill. Triple kill. Maniac. Shut down. Enemy double kill.
Nawala yung angas ko.
Our
Aminin.
turret has been destroyed.
Nawala ang angas kay Gatot, mga kaibigan. What the heck? What the heck, bro? What the heck? Sabi ni Pani.
Our turret is under attack.
What the heck? Ka ngayon, Lord.
Okay.
Napa what the heck, eh, no?
Turret has been
What the heck? Bilis naman natin matutunaw
Have
yan.
some fun
Everyone, Lord lang yun.
boring world.
What the heck? Lords, report mo ko, bro. Bakit? Bakit?
Let's see.
What the heck?
These bandages.
Yun na, ultimate na siya. Yan na. Makakatakas pa ba kayo? Ako makakatakas pa. Sabi sa inyo, mali yung ulti ni Gatot eh. Masyado siyang nagmadali. Ang pangit ng timing niya.
Destruction
3 over
is
10.
the start of my
Ratings mo sa amin ay 3 over 10.
destroyed a turret.
Masyadong nagmadali. Walang nahuli. At hindi hindi ready ang kanyang kakampi. So, 3/10. 3/10 for you, Gatot. Nice performance pa din.
Request backup. Okay.
Well played. Hala ka, pre! Naiwan si Cardo. Ayun, nabengbang.
Ally has been slain.
Nabengbang. Nabengbang, Lord. What the heck? Napapa, what the heck? Si Granger.
Initiate retreat.
Eh, nagpa-bengbang. Mabebengbang din tuloy kami.
Initiate retreat.
Yan na, may Lord pa naman. Ayaw mo clear yan, top, Pani? Nice one. Clear ko muna to. Sayang tore natin, pre.
Our turret is under attack. Request backup.
Niyaabot pa ata tayo sa Lord.
Request backup. Launch attack.
Abot pa?
Accept your demise.
Uy, baliw pulado!
Killing.
One!
Double kill. An ally has slain. Launch attack.
Habol, Lords. Bengbangin mo rin.
You have slain an enemy. Request backup. Launch attack.
Nagalaw. Kita nyo, nagalaw yung muscles ko.
Let's see. What's beneath these bandages?
May nagalaw. Gumagalaw kayo. Nagalaw yung muscles ko.
Victory.
Parang may bulate. Mas malaki sa'yo dito. Mas malaki sa'yo, Granger. Weh. Diga! Good game. Nangangamoy panalo. Siyempre, malakas yung Cupra, Lods. Oo eh. Lods na bengbang. Oo. Malakas tong Cupra na to, Lods. Malakas talaga, sobra. Kaya guys, kung gusto ka natuwa kayo sa ating malupitang Cupra and Friends, ayan, pusuan nyo lang po ang ating live. Shoutout kay Angelo, kay Nico, kay Mayo. Hello, hello po sa inyo. Yan, pa-share din po ng ating stream, guys. Yabang sabi ni Gerald. Talaga, manang-mana sa'yo. Manang-mana, Lods. Mana-mana lang yan. Sumiksi? Talaga ba, Angelo? Ayoko sumiksi, gusto ko sumaksis. Nagyabang na naman si Idol. Talaga, Lord. Flex ko lang. Yan, kay Mr. Suave. Hello, kay Bam. Bam, dam, dam. And I wish you the
Your team
best
is banning.
for the rest of your life. Huwag na kasi kumanta. Hello, Braxy. Hello, Andrew.
Please ban a hero. The enemy is picking.
Hello, Andrew.
Magic is
Salamat
my
po sa
life.
heart.
Your team is picking.
Ready, go!
Bang 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 bang. Ay, ito
The
pala yung
enemy is
pampalakas ko. Nasira
Did I
tuloy.
miss the New Year's Eve party?
Am more than a weapon.
Ibibip-bip mo siya. Bip-bip. Ayan ang pampalakas natin ngayon. Bip-bip. Bip-bip. Bip, bip. Hello, Jerry.
For honor!
Bip, bip.
Please pick a hero.
Thank you so much, Unreach, for the roses. Grabe naman yun. Salamat, salamat.
Time to go to the RT show.
Popol
Some
ko ulit
fun.
to. Hindi ako magsasawa sa'yo, Popol. I love you very much.
Spirit of the brush!
The enemy
Very,
is
very much.
Demon shall bathe